it's me Morgan, but you can call me Lil Mo, and today I am so excited to share with you this Bambüsi is how I think you say it. This is a cheese board, or charcuterie as the fancy people say. You know why millennials are obsessed with charcuterie boards? It's because we grew up on lunch boxes, is what I've heard. So I want to share this with you, and I really hope that by the time I'm done with this video, you feel more confident in your buying decision. So I just got this. I literally just took off the plastic. I haven't even used it yet, and it looks so nice. I saw it and immediately knew that I had to have it because now that I'm a grown adult, I need to have fancy boards when people come to my house, right? So it comes with this really nice, Cajun, come here. My dog is trying to open my other Amazon package, okay? Comes with this really nice drawstring bag. Cajun, come here. Comes with this really nice bag, and I want to show you the benefits of this board. So it is a pretty big size. Let me grab my measuring tape to show y'all. So from one side to the other, it is 13 inches, and 13 inches both ways, and then the width is right at about 2 inches. So my favorite part of this, let me come over here so y'all can see it a little bit better, is how it slides out. I think it's right here. Okay, yeah, so it's still brand new. I haven't even used it, like I said. Look how cute, y'all. This comes all the way out, and it has, this is like little markers to be able to mark on these because you are so fancy now. Maybe it's chalk. I'm not sure. Probably chalk. Yeah, probably definitely chalk. So you can mark like if it's brie, if it's cheddar, whatever the options are. It comes with a wine corkscrew. It has this little cute baby right here. Then it has another one, and another one, and another one. So you can basically see it right here. It has their company logo at the bottom, which I love. And this just slides right in and out very easily. So if you are trying to, well, maybe very easily when you're not using your left hand, when you're right-handed, if you are trying to be a little bit fancier, maybe trying to impress your old high school bully, well, I don't know why they'd be hanging out with you, but I highly recommend this. It also would make an amazing gift if you're maybe going to a party where you do like a dirty Santa where you exchange gifts. I think people would probably definitely fight over this for sure. So I highly recommend this, and if nobody told you lately, you're doing great, and I am so proud of you. I hope you have a great rest of your day.